this land. And what I have down here? Egg. This is a Kinder egg again. So someone can help. I'm going to let someone to help me.
A few moments later.
And I'm back. Let's see what is again. Ooh, this is a spoon. Let me see what is this game.
Got this galapa.
A dolphin. This is a dolphin.
So,
I'm going to let someone to visit for me.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I'm back. And look at this dolphin. I got this dolphin. Now, dear, want to have a look? Is it not? And here's the instructions. And this is how you play it. So, you had come to me, and from yesterday saw my video again. And today, we have some chocolate. And we have some dolphins. Let me see, what is this?
12 seconds later.
Thank you for enjoying my video, and don't do like my teeth.